Early this morning, Pakistan launched a full-scale retaliatory operation called Bunyan Marsus, meaning a firm foundation. The government confirmed that the operation is a befitting response to India's earlier air-to-surface missile strikes targeting the Noor Khan in Rawalpindi, Murid in Chakwal, and Rafiki in Shorkot air bases.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today on 10th May, at the time of Fajr, we have given a strong punch to our coward enemy. Alhamdulillah. Nare Allahu Akbar.
All Pakistan Air Force (PAF) assets remain safe, according to DG ISPR LT Gen Ahmad Sharif Chaudhry.
भारत अपनी नंगी जारियत को जारी रखते हुए कुछ देर कबल उसने अपने तैयारों से फ़ज़ा से ज़मीन पर मिज़ाइल दागे हैं। नूर खान बेस पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स की मुरीद बेस और शोरकोट बेस को निशाना बनाया गया है। अब तक की इत्तलात के मुताबिक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एयरफोर्स के एसेट्स तमाम महफूज हैं।
The retaliation targeted India's power grid with 70% inoperative in cyber attack. India's S-400 system destroyed by PAF's JF-17's hypersonic missiles in Adampur, KG Top Brigade Headquarters, Uri Supply Depot, Adampur and Udhampur airfields, artillery gun position in Dehrangari, and BrahMos storage site. Security sources confirm that Pakistan has destroyed the BrahMos missile storage facility in Beas, while also striking Indian air bases in Udhampur and Pathankot. Indian media has reported explosions and smoke in Udhampur's Dibba area shortly after the operation was announced. Pathankot also experienced explosion-like sounds around 5 a.m. preceded by a citywide blackout. Pakistan has named its Al-Fatah missiles used in this operation after children who were martyred in earlier Indian attacks. As part of its operation, Pakistani drones were reportedly spotted over India's capital, New Delhi, causing alarm. DG ISPR also revealed that India had fired 6 ballistic missiles from Adampur, bizarrely targeting its own territory, including the general area of Adampur and Amritsar, where large Sikh populations reside. He called this a provocation of the highest order, alleging India is endangering its own minorities to fuel internal conspiracies.
There is a shocking development that I want to communicate. India has a little while ago fired 6 ballistic missiles from Adampur. One has targeted their own area, General Adampur, and 5 have targeted in Indian Punjab, General area Amritsar. मैं आपको एक शॉकिंग खबर देना चाहता हूं। इंडिया ने अब से थोड़ी देर पहले 6 बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल आदमपुर से फायर किए हैं। इनमें से 1 बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल आदमपुर में ही हिट किया है और बाकी 5 मिसाइल्स भारतीय पंजाब में अमृतसर के इलाके में हिट किए हैं। इंडिया अपनी मजमूम साजिशों के जरिए इंडियन पंजाब में सिखों की आबादियों को टारगेट कर रहा है। हमारी तमाम हमदर्दी सिखों के साथ है, उन अक़लियतों के साथ है जो कि इस वक्त उसकी अंदरूनी साजिशों और मुजालिम का शिकार भी हो रहे हैं। This is a shocking development, a provocation of highest order, where India has now started firing ballistic missiles at its own population, which doesn't make any sort of sense. Insanity और अकल से माऊफ एक हरकत। अपने ही मुल्क में 5 बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल अमृतसर में और 1 आदमपुर में गिरा दिए हैं, टारगेट कर दिए हैं।
India's missile and drone strikes were largely intercepted. According to DG ISPR, Pakistan's air defense systems successfully thwarted most of India's missiles, preventing their intended objectives. He added that Pakistan has electronic signatures of all Indian missiles, including their launch points and trajectories, evidence, he said, of a larger, sinister regional plan, including strikes in Afghanistan and Indian Punjab to spread chaos.
इसके अलावा भारत ने अफगानिस्तान में भी मिसाइल दागे हैं और ड्रोन्स का हमला भी अफगानिस्तान पर किया है। भारत अपने पागलपन और जाहिरियत के ज़रिए और अपनी मकारी के ज़रिए पूरे खित्ते को एक ख़तरनाक जंग की तरफ धकेल रहा है। हम सिर्फ उसको ये कहना चाहते हैं कि ना हम तुम्हारी ताकत, ना तुम्हारी मकारी और तुम्हारी जाहिरियत से मरूब होने वाली कौम है। Now you just wait for our response.
In light of the escalating conflict, the Pakistan Airports Authority announced a complete closure of national airspace from 3:15 a.m. to noon today. Meanwhile, India has shut down 32 airports till 15th May. Residents across Pakistan have reported explosions and sonic booms throughout the night. In response to the ongoing situation, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has called a meeting of the National Command Authority to assess the evolving security and strategic landscape. This is a developing story. Subscribe to Dawn News English as we bring you the latest.